Hey guys, it's Jayden
and Steve
from Serious Keto, and today we're going to be reviewing low carb.
That's carb with a K.
Keto nut granola, cinnamon almond pecan flavor.
But before we do that, if you enjoy low carb cooking videos, product and ingredient reviews,
like this one.
Exactly. As well as lessons learned from my experiences with a ketogenic lifestyle and intermittent fasting, click that subscribe button right there. And while you're at it, click the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I release a new video. So this company, Low Karb, that's carb with a K, sent me this to try out. They are interested in my opinion and by proxy, your opinion as well. So we're going to try this out today. Are you a granola fan?
I am. I eat oatmeal like every day, and I love granola. So
how do you usually eat it?
I usually make like a nut seed mix with stone ground oats, and then mix it up. Mix peanut butter in there with like berries or something. Like that's my breakfast.
Okay.
And then
do you put it over yogurt or anything, or have milk?
Oh, and milk. So yeah, the mix and then milk, heat it up in the microwave, and then I add peanut butter after it's cooked, and then berries on top. So like nothing else, no yogurt or anything.
So like you just got a free recipe right there. You thought you were just coming for a review. All right, what do we have here in terms of ingredients? We got some almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, coconut chips, erythritol, monk fruit, butter and cinnamon. In terms of carbs, we're looking at 10 grams total carb, 4 grams dietary fiber, 4 grams of alcohol sugar or sugar alcohol for a net of 2 grams of carbs. Now, I know some people like counting the sugar alcohol at 50%. Carb Manager doesn't count it. They're not counting it here. I'm not going to take a stand on the issue. They say 2 grams net carbs. Should we try it?
Yes.
All right. It smells very granola-y, if that's a word. So how do you want it? Serving size is 1/3 of a cup.
Yeah, I'll try it with, I'll try it plain first, and then I'll try it with the almond milk.
Okay. It looks like just a really nutty granola.
Yeah, this kind of looks like my breakfast, but yeah, just a lot of nuts and seeds in here, which is really good, especially for breakfast. You start your day off right with those omega-3s and good sources of energy here. So.
All right. Do you want a spoon, or?
I'll take a spoon.
Okay. We're gonna be all fancy, like extend our pinky and stuff. All right, here we go.
I really like it. It really does taste a lot like what I eat every morning. And it's sweet. It's really not overpoweringly sweet, which is good.
Like I think sometimes when you have those Quaker and other brands, they're to the point that they're almost candy now. I don't know if you noticed it as well, but sort of, you know, you taste the different nuts at different points as you're chewing it.
Yeah.
I think it starts very sunflower seedy, and I was afraid that it was going to stay that way, but then I started getting the pumpkin and the pecan and the almond. Do you want some almond milk?
I'll try with almond milk now.
Yeah, it really ends nicely with the almond, and frankly, there's some stuff in here that has me confused because it really seems kind of like oats. There's something in there. Oh, it's probably the coconut. I'm guessing the coconut cooked up in the butter kind of gets that oat type thing going.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably what it is, because I feel like there is oats in here. I feel like this isn't even keto.
So, the low carb with a K keto nut granola is available on Amazon for about $12.50 for a bag. I'm going to see if I can get some sort of a special discount code on this for my viewers, and if so, I will put it down in the description below. So I always get a little bit concerned when a company sends me something free to review because I feel like I'm going to feel bad if they sent me something free and I got to say that it's not good or I didn't like it. Fortunately, I don't need to say that here. This stuff is good, and I think it would be great on top of some full-fat yogurt, although, you know, on keto you got to kind of, it's sort of a limited type of thing, but I think that would be great. I think you could probably even mix some of this into some sort of a fat bomb or a keto cookie.
Yeah, protein balls or whatever, yeah.
So I think we've got a winner here with the low carb, with a K, keto nut granola. Thanks for watching.